Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use function in C programming. Function in C. How we can create a function in C. We will see how to create it. Function in C. There are basically two types of functions. One is standard library functions and other is user-defined functions. Standard library functions are those printf, scanf, the main function we use. But today we will learn about the user-defined functions. First, we will create a simple addition program. Hash include. This is the preprocessor directive. Then we write the stdio.h header file. This is the standard input output header file. After that, we will write the main function in main. After that, for addition of, suppose we take two numbers, for addition of two numbers, we require two variables. We are taking int as the data type and let the variables be num1 and num2. These are the two variables for which we want to create a addition. And then the other variable to store these values, let it be sum. Num1 and num2 are the variables whose values will be added and get stored in sum. After that, we have to take the values for addition. We are writing printf enter two numbers enter two numbers. Next, we have to write scanf. Here we have to take the values of two numbers. We are writing %d. %d is a format specifier for integer type variables. %d for two numbers, and the numbers are num1 and num2. We have taken two values num1 and num2. Now we have to write the logic of addition. Now we are writing sum equals to num1 plus num2. This is the logic of addition, and here we have written printf, scanf. Printf or scanf are also functions, but these are called library functions. These are already defined in this stdio.h header file. Now we have to print the sum. We are writing printf. The addition is %d, comma. We have to print the sum. We are writing here sum. So in place of %d, the addition is the value of sum will be printed. After that, return 0 and the closing brace. This is a simple program of addition. Here we have not used any user-defined functions. It is a simple program of addition. We have taken three variables, num1 and num2 for addition of two numbers, and the sum to store the value of addition, and we have here printed the sum of the two numbers. The addition of is in the place of %d, the sum will be printed. It is 0. Now we will see how we can change this program using a function. This simple program, in place of main, I am writing here a function name. Suppose let our function name be addition. int addition. Int is the return type, addition is the function name, and this opening and closing parenthesis is known as function sign. But in any program, we need a main function. But here we don't find the main function, so we have to write the main function. We can write in main opening brace, addition is our function name, closing brace. Now this is the program. Here we have already implemented function. How see? First a header file, then we can declare the function. Our function name is addition, in addition, function sign semicolon. This is known as function declaration or function prototype. Int is the return type, addition is the function name, and here we will write the parameters within this parenthesis. But here we haven't used any parameters after the semicolon. Return type, function name, function sign semicolon. This is known as function declaration. This is known as function declaration. And then we have written the function, actual function. This is known as function definition. This block of code is known as function definition. And this is the main portion of the code. First we can write the header file, then function declaration, then we can write the function, then we can write int main. We can also write int main earlier also. Header file, function declaration, int main, then we can write function. Whatever tells us we can write. Here we have written first the header file, then the function declaration. It helps the compiler to know that this program consists of a function. That is, the function name is addition. After that, we have written the logic for addition. This is known as function definition. Return type, function name, opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis. This is known as function sign. Here we can give some parameters, but here I haven't used any parameters. Then opening brace, we have taken two variables, num1 and num2 for addition, and sum to store the values of addition. Both three variables, num1, num2, sum, all three are of integer type. Then we have written printf enter two numbers. Using scanf, we have taken those two numbers. Then we have written the logic of sum. Then we have written printf, the addition is %d, the sum will be printed, return 0, closing brace. Then we have written the int main. Within that, we have called the function addition. Whenever we write addition, the function name within the main program, that is, we are calling the function, that is addition. We can call function several times. How many times we want, we can call this function addition. We can call it many times. Here we have called it once, we can call it twice, thrice or more. A function helps us that we can just write the function name addition in the main program. We don't have to write the whole code again and again. Suppose in this program we need addition 5 times. We don't have to write this code 5 times. We can just write inside the int main portion addition 5 times. If we write here 5 times, it will call this addition portion 5 times and we will get the results of 5 different additions. I hope you all understand how to use function in C programming. I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.